Hello, everyone. Welcome to Joyoshare. Today's video is going to teach you how to cut MKV without re-encoding. First, launch Joyoshare VidiKit on your computer and then open the video cutter. You can press the Open File button to add your MKV video or drag and drop it directly.
Project.
Next, you need to tap the Format button to choose the cutting mode in your output format. The encoding mode will enable you to customize your output format and edit your MKV video freely. You can also change the codec bitrate, channel, etc. The high-speed mode will enable you to cut and trim MKV losslessly. Next, you can start to cut MKV easily and accurately in 3 different ways. You are able to drag the slider to select the cutting segment freely.
You will be all right. There.
Press the plus icon to add more cutting tracks. You can also make use of the Set Segment Start Time and Set Segment End Time buttons. Another way to select a cutting segment is to enter the specific start time and end time into the box. Before pressing the Start button to begin to cut MKV, you can also choose to merge segments. Now you can tap the button here to play and check your edited MKV video.
To heal the sick and injured. Mood swings.
That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.